Hi, Kate.
Are you getting a foot massage?
Yeah, you're smiling, huh?
No, you can't put his foot in your mouth.
Hi, Kate. You like the red light on this? You're getting so big, Kate. Oh, sweetie, you love Kate's feet. No, no. No, sweetie, you have too many teeth. You're going to hurt your friends. Isn't this exciting? No.